So these are the parts that you need that have to be washed every time to do treatment. So there's of course the mouthpiece. There is the this part you actually put the medicine in. This goes on top, called a baffle. And then this screws on. Then we're going to go over here. This attaches to the bottom, and this air tubing is attached to the compressor. And of course, always make sure there's no kink in there or anything. So you would open the vial of medicine, put it in here, squeeze it in there, put that on top, screw that together, attach the tubing to the bottom very tightly. So you really want to push that on hard. Then put the mouthpiece on top, and he should hold it upright, not like this, because then the medicine goes straight up. So he would hold it in his mouth upright as possible through the whole treatment. Toward the end of the treatment, when it starts to get less medicine in there, you want to tap it like this, give it good taps, and that kind of brings down the moisture and gets the last bit, medicine up there. So you don't want to waste any. So you tap toward the end. It will take about 15 minutes. You'll see the steam coming out of here. If he takes it out of his mouth, which you don't want him to do, you'd see it coming out of here too. But once the steam is gone, or it's kind of choppy and there's really hardly anything in here to tap anymore, then you know it's done. And then when you're finished, you take the tubing off. You take all of these parts apart. Oops. And then you would wash it all with, dish soap and water, and leave it to dry, air dry, for the next treatment. Thank you for watching this YouTube video.